The United States has carried out a second military strike against what President Donald Trump claims was a Venezuelan drug cartel boat. The strike, ordered on Monday, reportedly killed 3 people in international waters. Trump says the vessel was carrying bags of cocaine and fentanyl, though no independent evidence has yet been provided to back that up. The strike follows another operation just 2 weeks ago in which a suspected cartel boat was destroyed, leaving 11 people dead. Both incidents are part of what appears to be a dramatic shift in U.S. strategy, using lethal military force rather than traditional Coast Guard interdictions to stop alleged drug traffickers at sea. Normally, drug smuggling operations are handled through law enforcement. Coast Guard personnel typically board and inspect suspect vessels. But the Trump administration has now moved into territory usually reserved for counterterrorism operations. Earlier this year, Trump declared that cartels should be treated in the same category as foreign terrorist organizations. That classification, according to the administration, gives the military greater authority to use force.
Can you tell us about this Venezuelan boat that was taken out, and do you plan to provide proof that these were narco-terrorists who were on their way to the U.S.?
Well, we have proof. All you have to do is look at the cargo that was, like, it's spattered all over the ocean. Big bags of cocaine and fentanyl all over the place, and it was. Plus, we have recorded evidence that they were leaving. We've recorded them. It was very careful because we know you people would be after us. We're very careful. The military has been amazing.
You've done an awesome job for D.C. I want to get ahead of a story that I think might come out. You pushed out an email earlier today.
Now, what does that mean? That means there's no drugs coming by sea, but they do come by land. And you know what? We're telling the cartels right now, we're going to be stopping them too. When they come by land, we're going to be stopping them the same way we stop the boats.
The decision is drawing criticism at home and abroad. Legal experts question whether this constitutes a legitimate counter-terror operation or something closer to a war crime. Democrats in Congress have raised alarm over bypassing due process. Even some Republicans, such as Senator Rand Paul, have voiced concerns that the U.S. should not be glorifying killings without trial. For its part, Venezuela has denied that the destroyed vessels were drug boats. Officials in Caracas say those killed were not cartel members and accuse Washington of using exaggerated claims as a pretext for military escalation. Meanwhile, the U.S. is steadily increasing its presence in the region. In recent days, stealth F-35 fighter jets have landed in Puerto Rico, and at least 8 Navy ships are now stationed in the southern Caribbean. Reports also indicate that armed drones are in play, suggesting that surveillance and strike capabilities are expanding quickly. This combination of legal ambiguity, lethal action, and regional troop buildups is creating a tense situation. Washington argues it is protecting Americans from deadly narcotics, but critics warn this could mark the beginning of a dangerous precedent, one where the U.S. military is deployed not just against hostile states or terror groups, but also against criminal enterprises on the high seas.